Hello and welcome to Hold On My Seed. In this video, I'll cover how to install MetaMask on Google Chrome. Now, before we get started, I'd like to address what is MetaMask. So MetaMask is a crypto wallet. It's used to store, swap, and interact with decentralized applications. By default, it connects to the Ethereum network, but you can easily point it to other blockchains as well. Now, to keep them simple, what does all this mean? It means, say you have some Ethereum at Coinbase and you'd like to trade NFTs or other DeFi projects which are not available through your traditional exchange. In that case, you would install MetaMask and then transfer your Ethereum from that exchange to MetaMask, and then you can interact with these other applications. So that's pretty much it, and I'm going to show you how to install it. First things first, you're going to go to the MetaMask website, which is metamask.io. Make sure you're on the correct website. I'm going to assume you know how to install a Google Chrome application, so I'm going to blaze through this process. I'm going to click on download, install MetaMask for Chrome, and then add to Chrome. It should only take a moment, and once it's done, you should receive a new tab with a getting started button. And yep, there we go with the little fox. So I'm going to click on getting started, and since this is my first time, I'm going to click on yes, let's get set up. Create wallet. It gives me something about their privacy policy. I'm just going to click on no thanks, and I'm going to create my password. Okay, and create. Now there's a great video on your secret phrase. I strongly urge you to watch this, but I'm going to skip now, and it's going to give me what's called my secret recovery phrase. Guys, this is so important. I cannot stress how important this is. Make sure you write these words down. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to store it on a notepad, but you should never do this. This should never ever be on your computer. You should write it on a piece of paper and store it somewhere very safe. Now it's just a series of words. So I'm going to copy all of these and I'm going to paste it onto a sheet for the time being. I'm going to hit next, and it's going to ask me to confirm those words. The reason why it's doing this is because it is the only way for me to recover my account. If I were to lose my laptop, or if I had to format my computer, or if I wanted to access my funds on another computer, this is the only way. So you need these words. So I'm going to click on them in the order that I saved it. And there you go. And that's pretty much it. That means MetaMask has confirmed that I do remember, or I have stored my recovery phrase. After this, it's never going to ask you, or no one is ever going to ask you for your secret recovery phrase. So you should never have to expose it or give it to someone after this moment. All done. And now your account is set up. So this is your MetaMask wallet. You can click on your Google Chrome extensions and just pin it to your taskbar or your bookmark bar, and you'll get a very similar interface even if you click on it. So this is MetaMask. Now that we have MetaMask installed, I want to give you a quick rundown of their interface. You have two tabs, the Assets tab and the Activity tab. By default, you'll see an Ethereum balance of 0, and the Activity tab shows your activity. Right now there is none. And to deposit funds in the account, if you come up to the very top, you'll see if I just hover over account 1, it gives me the ability to copy to clipboard, and I can do that on the website as well. Like if I just click over here, it copies my address, and that's what it looks like. So I would simply go to my Coinbase or any other exchange wherever I'm holding Ethereum, and when I request to withdraw from that account, this is the to address that I would paste into the wallet. So all you would do is, once again, just click on copy and paste. You can do that through the website, or you can do that through the MetaMask Google Chrome extension. That's pretty much it for MetaMask. I will have a more in-depth video about MetaMask. If you'd like to see some feature in specific, please let me know in the comments below. Aside from that, if you found this video helpful, please do subscribe to our channel and like this video. It really helps us out a lot, and it also motivates us to create more great content for you guys. So thank you, and have a wonderful day.